JAE's MX81 series unsealed compact connectors provide robust connectivity for automotive applications, including various ECUs, sensors, lighting, and other small control modules. The MX81 series uses a standard 0.64mm tab size on a 2.54mm pitch, and the same crimp socket terminals proven on the popular MX80 sealed connectors. These can accommodate wire sizes from 0.13 to 1.0 square millimeters, enabling current carrying capacity up to 9.7 amps. The socket housing features a secure latch protected against wire snagging and a hinge-type TPA, with a compact design that is easily routed through small apertures. Color coding and keying ensure connectors are mated correctly, and an inline version is available for wire-to-wire connections. Pin headers are compatible with through-hole reflow soldering. The MX81 series offers a wide operating temperature range and is compatible with high vibration environments, maintaining a secure connection in challenging automotive applications.